Hey beauties, today I will be reviewing the Sensational Texture Clip-Ins 3B and 14 inches natural. The texture clip-ins are designed to blend in with natural hair, add volume and length. The pack comes with 9 pieces of clip-ins, starting with the 9-inch weft, which is a 1 piece. 7-inch weft comes with 2 pieces, 5-inch weft comes with 4 pieces, and 3-inch weft that comes with 2 pieces.
Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use and make things. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray.
Okay beauties, I have my clip-ins installed. It was pretty simple. I do have a video on how I install my clip-ins when I installed Overachiever from Sensational, the synthetic clip-ins. So I will link that video down in the description bar below, and I will put the picture right here so you can know what to look for. This is my first time trying Sensational human hair clip-ins, and y'all, you see it is so natural looking, and the density is very low. I would get another pack, being that I do like voluminous hair, but this, if you like hair that's of a lower density and not too much a natural little feel to your hair, this would be your best bet to go. I got the natural color, and this is a 3B type hair. So I do have a 4C type hair. It's more kinky and curly than anything, but it blended in just fine, y'all. I left just a little bit of hair out. Y'all know how I be doing. I left a little bit of hair out. And same braid pattern for when I do my half wigs and my clip-ins. I just braid down the back. If you're not sure how to put in your clip-ins, they do have a step-by-step instruction on this side to walk you through everything. So it has 9 pieces, and it's going to start off with 4 wefts, then 3, then 2, and it gets like that. But this is the model right here. It's looking so pretty. I'm going to turn around so you can see the density and everything on these clip-ins. Y'all, I'm so used to saying wig. This is the side. This is the back. And this is 14 inches. They do have some more inches as well. I think it's 1 more inch above this. Overall, I would rate this a 8.5 out of 10. I would need some more hair, but it is so beautiful. The clip-ins look natural as heck. This is it. If that's your thing, then go ahead and get this 1 pack here. I want to show you beauties how it looks on the other side, and if I was to kind of pull it up a little bit, yes, natural edges. Yeah, I would need a little bit more hair for this style. And as always, beauties, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. I will see you in another one. Bye.